Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nut smoothie for weight loss, only way. Start by weighing ingredients and choosing a low-calorie base like unsweetened almond milk. Combine 1 scoop protein powder, 1/4 cup mixed nuts, 1/2 cup berries, and a handful of greens. Blend until smooth and drink within 30 minutes of preparing. Keep portions consistent and swap ingredients to avoid boredom while tracking overall calories. In this video, I will show how to make nut smoothie for weight loss, only way. Measure ingredients precisely to hit your calorie goals. Use 1/4 cup mixed nuts, 1/2 cup berries, and 1 scoop protein powder with 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Add a handful of spinach for fiber and a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until creamy. Drink mindfully and pair with a light meal if needed. In this video, I will show how to make nut smoothie for weight loss, only way. Soak nuts overnight or at least 4 hours to soften and improve digestion. Use unsweetened milk and avoid sweetened yogurt to keep sugar low. Blend in stages, starting with liquids then nuts, then greens for a smoother texture. Taste and adjust with lemon or cinnamon rather than sugar. Store in the fridge and consume within 24 hours for freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.